As you come down onto the table, before you go to make your shot, you want to make sure that you're not holding the pool cue too tight. You don't want it too loose either, but you just want to have a control of the cue. Not too light, not too tight, just a controlled cue so that you can follow through comfortably. Position by the cue ball should have the cue tip right up to the cue ball as close as possible without touching it. And your rear arm holding the handle wrap area in the cue should be 90 degrees to the floor.